Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to auto-run or auto-sprint on PC with mouse and keyboard in Fortnite. No more holding down shift. First, open your settings by pressing escape, then click the gear icon. Go to the game tab. This is the icon with the controller and gear. Find toggle sprint. Set it to on so you automatically sprint when you move forward. No holding down shift. Next, switch over to the keyboard controls tab. Scroll to the movement section and find auto run. By default, it's bound to the equals key. Click the binding and press whatever key you'd like, maybe your numlock or another easy to reach key. Confirm the binding, then hit apply and exit. Now back in the game, just tap your auto run key once, and your character keeps running without holding any buttons. Tap the key again to stop, and because you set sprint by default to on, you'll sprint the whole way. And that's it, auto run and auto sprint sorted. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Fortnite tips. See you next time!